guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can find, remove or clean the mine filter, and there we have the Philips 3000 series. The first step, we need to push this blue element to remove the dustbin container. Now just look for the fighter, it's located here, so we need to open this cover. There we have the fighter. If you want to clean it with the water, remember to dry it for 24 hours before the next use. You can also clean it with the compressed air. If you want to remove the filter, you need to just pull it up from the right side. And if you want to replace it, just put it here, the new one. Then close the cover and put the dustbin container back. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.